outer body मतलब body has our body has different parts like the legs and stomach, head, etc. Their parts are called organ of the body. There are many organs inside our body too. An organ is a part of our body that perform a क्या है specific function. Some organ help us to know about various things around us. They are called sense organ. Organ system. A group of organs that work together to from one or more function make an organ system. Our body is made up of 8 main organ system. All organ systems depend on one another
directly
or
indirectly.
If any organ gets damaged, our body will not be able to work properly. Let's us learn about the organ system of our body. Skeleton system. This system provides shape and supported to our body. Our body consists of 206 bones. The bones together from the skeleton and thus constitute the skeleton system of our body. The point at which two bones meet is called a minute. A joint always
allow
bone to move. Some bones protect a few organs inside it, like the skull protect the brain, and the
rib cage
protect the heart. Muscular system. This system helps us to move our body and its various parts. Our body consists of more than muscles. 600 muscles or the muscles together from the muscular system. Muscles are joined to the bones. They help different parts of the body to move. Some muscles are under control, like the muscles of the arm, but some muscles are not under control. Under our control. For example, muscles of the heart work continuously. Respiratory system. This system helps us to breathe. We breathe in air through our nose. It pass through the
throat
throat and the windpipe and
windpipe,
and reach the lungs. The lungs expand like a balloon. The oxygen from the air is absorbed by the blood in the lungs. Carbon dioxide gas is
released
released in
and is
and is breathed out through the nose. Sometimes we use the mouth to breathe. The mouth, nose, throat, windpipe, the lungs make the
respiratory system,
respiratory system,
digestive system,
digestive system. This system help in digestive the food we eat. We eat food through our mouth where the food is maximum. We saviva and chow. The chow food pass through the windpipe and reach food pipe and reach the stomata. In the stomata, food breaks down into simple substance with the help of digestive juice. They are a small piece of food reach the small intestine and get
completely
digest
nutrients
from the digest from are they absorbed by blood and transported to all organs of the body. In the underdigested food pipe,
underdigested
food pass through the lungs, large intestine and is thrown out of the body through the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and smack the digestive system. This system help to carry the oxygen that we breathe in, the nutrients from the food that we eat to all the organs of the body. The blood work has the carried in this tax. Blood is a red color liquid that flows through the thin tube called blood vessels inside our body. The heart is our organ that pumps blood to all the organs of the body. the heart, blood and blood varies from the circulating system.
कैलकुलेटिंग नहीं, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम।
सर्कुलेटिंग सिस्टम। ये क्या है?
ये अरोटा है गर्दन में।
अरोटा, हार्ट, ब्लड, वेरियस
विसल्स है नस। एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम।
Excretory system. This system remove waste in under waste materials from our body. The kidney are a pair of organ that remove excess water and harmful substance from our body in the form of urea. The skin of our body also helps is remove waste in the form of thus the kidney and the skin are part of the external system. Beside then the lungs remove carbon dioxide gas in the form of
exhale
air. The remove of waste is important as they can harm our body. क्या हुआ? जाना
पागल भाई का
ये क्या है?
नर्वस सिस्टम।
This system control all our acting
एक्शन।
यहाँ पे do breathe, यहाँ पे यहाँ से everything we do, breathe, walk, eating, think, sleep, etc. is controlled by our brain. There is a net of nerves inside our body. These nerves are
connected
to the brain through the spine called the brain. Send message to all part of the body through nervous about the work to brain. The brain especially final cord and nervous form of nervous system.
reproduction system.
The reproduction system helps to produce baby. The baby stays inside the mother body for 9 months. It gets food and air from the mother body.
हो गया?
हाँ, हो गया, खत्म।